time nyo, kahit, alam mo, ginawa namin simpleng araw na hindi talaga natuloy yung Teacher's Day, pero ginawa namin yung part namin, 4th year, na ituloy talaga yung Teacher's Day.
Hindi tayo blessinghan kami, nakapili kami sa teachers. Sila, Amerika. Walang masyadong gift, walang masyadong record, pero isigit pa rin natin na gift kami teachers day. Puro past few things, matulog, kasama yung mga estudyante, tapos yung mga kapag nangyari. Hindi po namin
mga pera niyan, mga nangyaring kaso, no? Hindi na ayusin.
Pwede na. Bigyan mo lang.
Okay.
Haba-haba niyan.
Yun nga po, upag-share ka sa lahat ng maling nagawa
Ikaw,
ng church.
tututo ko lang
Kahit
sa'yo.
po, nawalan tayo ng isang teacher, still, nandito pa rin po kayo para sa amin. Pero natagdagan pa po ng isa, si Teacher Roweda. Salamat po kasi pinagsagaan din po kami kahit makulit kami. Ngayon po, sisimulan natin yung program kahit napakasimple. Pinangungunahan po ni Christian Barnachea na mag-open ng remarks nila.
Nice done!
Nice one.
Lord dear teachers, Lord dear principal, teacher, Lord and teachers, beloved parents, and wala bang parents? Wala students, both attorneys. I am Christian Vancho. Welcome to this very special occasion for the 4th year students. As they bow for the last time in front of you here at Our Lady of Fatima, we would like to thank God Almighty for bring everyone here to witness the most even in our lives, we believe that without God, nothing would be possible. As early as now, together with the sick, study, body, and would like to stand we go through the way everybody and sharing our time with us. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Christian Barnachea, for opening remarks. Ngayon, tatawagin natin yung 2nd year students to present their presentation yung gagawin nila for the teachers. 2nd year.